Bilang mga ordinaryong immigrant, as breadwinners ng aming family, pangarap talaga natin na makapag-support sa ating family.
Lalo na ang buhay ng pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. Pero after 13 years of teaching, nabaon po ako sa utang, nabaon ako sa credit card. At ang pinakamasakit sa akin was I was so scared na wala akong savings for my own kids' education.
Bilang mga ordinaryong immigrant, as breadwinners ng aming family, pangarap talaga natin na makapag-support sa ating family. Kahit dumating yung mga moments na, anak, may emergency sa bahay, yung meron kang pang suporta without borrowing money from your credit cards or line of credit. Yan po ang sitwasyon namin ni Coach Ann back, back so many years. Pero we were hungry to change that situation. We stopped asking for permission. We really wanted and became obsessed with the life that we want, not only for ourselves, pero para sa pamilya namin.
Background lang po, I finished my high school, college, and even my master's in education through the help of also an OFW aunt that I had.
Really?
So, bubog ko po yun na bakit hindi kaya ng mga magulang ko makapagpatapos sa akin. Pero bakit history is repeating to me? Tapos teacher pa ako. Yung mga magulang ko wala namang magandang trabaho. Pero ako as an immigrant, bakit ganun pa din ang nangyayari? Sabi ko nga, I need change. So 5 years ago, buti na lang nakita ko talaga ang business na to. Ang business na to, ang sabi ko nga, kahit pala wala akong business background, pwede siyang
Pwedeng,
simulan.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I hope na naniniwala din kayo na sinasagot ng Panginoon yung ating mga dasal sa iba't ibang forms and shapes. I pray to God for a solution. Ito yung binigay niya sa akin. And first question, siguro nagtataka ka rin, if up to this time nanonood ka pa rin, yun din ang question ko, why am I hooked to this ad? Bakit ko pa rin pinapanood? Kasi may area sa buhay natin na kailangan talaga ng improvement. And I'm sure nagdadasal ka tuwing gabi, Lord, sana magbago yung buhay ko. That's exactly my prayers to Him. And He led me to this business opportunity that was in 2018. I was struggling between so many jobs. And in 11 months of doing this, nakapag-quit na ako ng trabaho.
Wow, amazing. Coach Franco, alam mo po, sabi ko nga, answered prayer din ito. And I consider this business as a blessing. Kasi gaano man natin trabahuin ang kailangan trabahuin, kung hindi talaga tayo binibless ni Lord sa mga dapat nating gawin, hindi talaga mangyayari. So when I also found this business, lubog nga po ako sa utang. But I do believe that this was an answered prayer kasi sabi ko nga, paano ginagawa ng iba? Wala naman silang business background. Hindi naman sila nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Ako nga, teacher, 'di ba? Alam ko din, ito. So sabi ko, kung naiba yung buhay nila, if their lives has been changed, I know it would also change mine. And good thing, I trusted my God that this is God-given blessing because right now, I'm also retired at the age of 41, traveling the world. We are in Punta Cana right now. This is also a tax write-off kasi nga may business na kami. Naniwala kami not just the business but to ourselves and that God has given this to us.
That's
Tama
right.
po?
And if you're looking for something that will work with your life, not against it, ito yun. Kasi tatlo yung trabaho ko dati, but it was silently working for me in the background. And I'm sure it did for you too, right,
Yes,
Coach Ann?
amazing.
Business na hindi mo kailangan bantayan, legal, documented. So we want to give you that confidence na pwede ka talaga magsimula ng business. We go by our legal names, Franco Panganiban,
Anne Marie Wilson.
There we go.
Yes.
So we don't go by any pseudonym. So talagang ang aming goal lang naman is share din sa inyo yung opportunity na nakapagbabago sa aming buhay. Kaya mag-reach out na kayo sa amin.
Yeah.
We'll be happy to show you exactly, right, Coach Ann, kung paano
Definitely.
magsimula.
Yes, mag-comment lang kayo or mag-message sa amin. We will be here to help you. Daghang salamat. Thank
God bless
you.
everyone.